Today we will learn about the eating habit of animals. You know that all living things need food. Food provides them with energy. Plants make their own food, but animals cannot prepare their own food like plants. They get their food from plants and plant-eating animals. Different animals eat different kind of foods. The method of eating food are also different. You can often figure out what type of food an animal eats by looking at its body and mouth. So now let us know the classification of animals on the basis of eating habit. Animals are classified into three types: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous. There are some animals which eat only plants, like cows, horses, deer, rabbit, giraffe. Plants eating animals are known as herbivorous. Carnivorous. There are some animals only eat the flesh of other animals. They are known as carnivorous, like tigers, lions, wolves, snakes. Flesh-eating animals are known as carnivorous. Next, omnivorous. Some animals eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. They are omnivorous, like bears, crows, humans. They eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Now we will know about the food chain. What does a food chain tell us? A food chain tells us who eats what in nature. It is the transfer of food energy from plants to an animal, then to another animal. Now we will see some examples of food chain to get better idea. Plants are known as producer, as all the food chain starts from plants. Herbivorous, omnivorous eat plants. Again, some animals like carnivorous, omnivorous eat the animals. So all animals depend on plants for their food. So this is grass. It is producer. Deer eat grass. And then tiger eat the deer. It is a food chain. Look at the other food chain. Cereal. It is producer. Rat eats cereals or grains. Owl eats rat. Now we will know how animals eat. Carnivore, they have pointed front teeth, which is used for piercing and tearing the flesh. At the back, they have broad flat teeth for chewing the flesh properly. This helps them to eat the flesh of the other animal. But on the other side, herbivore, they have flat grinding teeth to chew their food. Front teeth are sharp but not pointed like carnivore. These front teeth help them to tear the food, and flat teeth are used for grinding the food very nicely. Some other animals are there, so like cows and buffalo. They first swallow their food without chewing it. At leisure time, they bring back the food back into their mouth and chew it. This process is known as chewing the cud. This was all about cows and buffaloes. Now, like snake, they do not chew their food at all. They swallow their food as a whole. They take the food, they swallow it and eat. They don't have the process like chewing the cud. Next, insects like butterfly. They suck the sweet nectar of flowers. Instead of teeth, they have a long hollow tube in the mouth which helps them to suck the nectar of the flowers. Let us see what is the next insects or animal. Next, Mosquito. When mosquito stabs you with sharp hollow tube in its mouth, then uses it like a straw to suck your blood. Next time when they are sitting on your body, remember they're sucking the blood, and that is the way they eat. But frogs and chameleon, they are having a similar eating habit. They shoot out a long sticky tongue to catch the insects. When the insects sit on their tongue, they put it inside and they eat the food. Next animal is elephant. It has a long trunk. For what purpose they use it? They use it for breaking off leaves and push them into its mouth. It is also used to suck water and put it into its mouth. So we have learned about so many animals and their eating habits. Thank you for watching.